My sound is clear.
Yes. I have to
Okay.
unplug and plug it in.
Okay. How are you doing?
I'm good. I only now have like 15 minutes, but because I'm going on a Zoom in 15 minutes. But let's just go through what you need from me. Like you need my login for the Instagram, probably, right?
Yes, I need your Instagram login access and your YouTube manager position.
And from YouTube, you need?
Yes, if you need YouTube service, YouTube and Instagram, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't think YouTube is that important in that sense that because that's why I asked you for the Canva, if you have Canva, because then we can make a team in Canva and you have access to all the videos there.
Yes, your channel is with me. You just give me your channel manager position with me. You owner, me manager. Okay, I'm control your channel, everything. You just give me your channel manager position with me. I send you
from YouTube.
Yes, from YouTube. I sent my Gmail messenger here, and you just put my Gmail your YouTube channel manager position.
Is it I can give you access to only that one account from Instagram, right?
Instagram, yes. If you give me your Instagram login access, your username and password, so I'm logging your Instagram, then one code your phone or Gmail send Instagram. You just give me this code and I'm logging your Instagram account.
On that one account that I want you to work on.
One account.
Okay.
First, give me your Instagram account login access. Send me messenger. Now your country morning time, right?
Sorry?
Your country now morning time, right? Now morning?
Yeah. It's a 9:45. Yeah.
And it's Netherlands, right?
It's Switzerland. I'm in
Switzerland. Oh, okay. But I see your Fiverr Netherlands.
Yes, I'm Dutch, so I put my Fiverr in
Netherlands.
I just moved to Switzerland in October last year.
Oh, okay.
So if I give you access to my, let's try it because I have never done that. So okay, so it's like
yes, sent messenger. Password.
Poetry in Motion is the account, and it's I think. So the handle is Pascal Loves Poetry, I think.
Yes. I'm manage your Instagram and YouTube for 1 month, right?
Yeah, I want to just see what you can do. And,
okay. But if you need YouTube monetization package or others, if you need full monetization package for YouTube, I can do that.
No, I don't like YouTube. It's like okay, so wait, I have the Pascal Loves Poetry, and then you need the password of that account, right?
Okay, yeah.
100%.
Totally in motion, your username, right?
Yeah.
And down 100% it is your password. You need and now log in your account, then go to your own message. You just give me this message code, then I'm access your account. Okay. Submit. This password you entered is incorrect. Your password incorrect, not correct password.
Okay, wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna make the new passport the one I sent you, right?
Yes, you give me right password here. Then I'm access your account. do not find your password, please forget your password and create new
No,
password.
no, it's okay. Wait. It's
Okay.
now. Okay. Now I need to. Okay. I need to put a password that I haven't used before, so I do 100%. Okay. This is then 100%.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Your number last digit 70, right? Your phone number.
My phone. Yes.
Okay, so I'm continue then one message, check your phone and give me this 6-digit code. I'm
Okay.
already look.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a message now. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
This
I have
code
it.
send me messenger. Yes, it's working and now
Okay.
access your account.
Okay, so that is the Instagram. Cool. Then
YouTube.
because I have to jump. I have to jump on the other Zoom now. But I will Can you send me your email so I can make you?
Yes, please share your screen. I tell you everything YouTube. Okay, and I'm send my email your messenger.
Yeah, but also so I can make a team and add you to the team in Canva, so you can have access to everything I make, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, I send my Gmail.
Okay, wait. So I can do that. We make the poetry in motion. This is the one okay, team name, yes. And your email address. I put your email address there. So then at least we have those two. Okay, so, go to team. Okay, it's still loading.
Okay.
Because then yeah, now, okay, well, okay, let's go. You should be a team member now for Poetry in Motion.
You make more video for your YouTube?
Yeah, pretty much. There's a folder that is called Poetry in Motion, and that's where I'll put all my videos that I make.
You send Canva access with me?
Yes, I
already my one account Canva Pro. I'm use already Canva Pro. I'm already use Canva Pro on monitor.
Yeah, okay, me too. So, but I just added your email to my team, so you should be a team member now of Poetry in Motion. I don't see a link, my friend. Yeah, okay. I'll have to get back to you later on that, because I see that you're part of the team. Create a team. I just made a team. I just created a team, and now I put your name in it, and now I don't see the team anymore.
Please share your screen.
Okay, I have to. Sorry, man. I will get back to you because I have to jump on a Zoom now with a student.
Okay.
But I will reach out immediately afterwards, and I will call you immediately afterwards on the same Zoom link. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because yeah, it's 10 o'clock, so I have to jump on Zoom. But immediately afterwards, we get the YouTube and we get this also figured out, so you have access to all the designs I make, and then you can just start doing your magic. And of course, I will go on Fiverr. You send me a new bill with the amount that you want to be paid for that month for those two accounts, and I will pay it today.
But I'm not understand if you need only Instagram service or Instagram and YouTube both.
pretty much, good question. I think because first I thought you would need YouTube to put my videos up there so you can use them for Instagram, because I haven't uploaded all of the videos now, because I'm limited on YouTube to upload only like 4 or 5 videos a day.
4 or 5 videos, not per day. 2 videos is very important for your YouTube channel. It is growing easily your views, likes, subscriber, everything. If you per day 2 videos uploaded,
okay. So cool. Then we'll check it out, and then maybe we do YouTube too, just to see what happens. I'm just curious to see what happens if my YouTube channel also starts growing. Maybe it can work together. So cool. So I'm now, I have 100 followers, yay, on Instagram. I did that in 2 weeks. They're all like original followers, so they're not friends of mine. They're all people that followed me because of my content. Okay. So that is pretty cool. So I will call you right after my Zoom, and then on the same Zoom link, and then we'll get the rest figured out, and then we also get the payment figured out. Cool.
Okay.
Cool. I'll maybe half an hour, 45 minutes max. Okay.
45